Welcome to the Aspose.Words Cloud tutorial. Today we're going to extract images from a document which is stored remotely in the cloud, and save them to our local file system. Before we begin, we need to have a registered app, and its app SID and app key to connect to the Words API. We also need a document with images inside it in our remote file system. For a detailed example on how to set up app credentials and upload a document to this storage, please refer to the Uploading a Document to Cloud Storage tutorial. This particular document contains 3 images, which will be downloaded and saved to a new folder in our local file system. Our image extraction will be performed in these 3 steps. We will connect to the API, verify and access a remote document using a request and a response, and go through each image within the document one by one, referencing by index, and saving each image to our local file system. We will start with our app credentials stored as variables, a method named extractImages, which will process our remote document and return a Boolean value indicating success, and a utility method named SaveFileStream, that saves the contents of a stream to a local file. First, we will connect to the Words API using our app credentials. This try-catch clause will print errors that may come up while verifying the document. Inside it we will create a getDocument request, to which we will pass the storage, folder, and file name of a document in the remote file system. We will then execute the request with the getDocument method. If the document exists, we will get a valid document response. If not, we will get a null response, which can serve as the basis for throwing an exception. Once we know our document exists, we can get images out of it. Images are drawing objects, and drawing objects are accessed by index. We don't know exactly how many drawing objects there are. Also, drawing object indexes may be occupied by objects that can't be saved as image files. With these things in mind, we will go through all the image indexes in our document with a loop. If the loop executes with no errors, our extractImages method is successful and can return true. We will create one image data request for every drawing object index access, passing the image index, as well as the URI of our remote document as arguments. We will execute the request with the getDocumentDrawingObjectData method, which will return a stream that contains our image data. Now that we have a stream with image data inside it, we can use our SaveFileStream utility method to create a file with that data. We'll use the image index to create a unique file name and save the image in the local folder we created earlier. Our code is now ready to be tested. We will run our image downloader using a unit test. Our images will be saved in a local folder named out, and taken from the remote document, folder, and storage we saw at the beginning of the video. We will expect our extractImages method to return true. Now we will run the test and view the result. Our test indicates a successful image extraction. Let's also check our local files. Our folder named out has been created, and it contains the 3 images that were inside our remote document. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any comments, please get in touch with us.